Hello everyone, welcome to Customer Connect Tutorials. In today's video we're going to go over how to install and configure the application for the first time. So the first step in order to use the Customer Connect system is to download our application from the App Market. That can be done by going to the Clover App Market on your Clover station and searching Customer Connect Rewards. And once you search for Customer Connect Rewards, the one that we want to pick is right here. That's $34.95 a month, and we'll see on our screen it's already been installed. However, when you install the application for the first time, what you're going to do is click on the card, and then there will be an accept and install button to click, and after that the application will be downloaded onto your Clover station. Once you download the application for the first time, you want to click on this icon right here, and click on the Accounts tab. Once you do this, you want to make sure that all of the business owner's information is correct, including the email, and then once you do that, click Confirm. Now what's happened is that a user has been generated with the business owner's email address and PIN as the username and password. If you don't know your business owner's PIN, you can find that out by going to Employees. Click the business owner's card, and you can find the login PIN right here. Once that has been done, an activation email will be sent to the business owner's email address. Make sure that you click on that email and respond to it so that the account can be confirmed and initialized. Now, once you've done these steps, all of the procedures on the Clover station have been completed. The next step is to go to a computer or laptop and log into the internet. Our preferred browser is Chrome, and we want to make sure that try and avoid using a cell phone in order to do this process, because the website has been maximized for Chrome. So what we want to do is we want to go to www.customerconnect.biz, and once we get to the website, we see in the top right hand corner there's a button called Sign In. We want to click this button. Now, as I mentioned, the email address that you're going to use to sign in is the business owner's email address that has been used on the Customer Connect application. The password the first time that you sign in is going to be the business owner's PIN. So once you fill in this information, just go ahead and click Sign In. Now, this brings you to the dashboard. This is our back-end administrative portal for the application, and this is really where all of the heavy lifting gets done. So we'll later get to all of the features of the dashboard as well as the website itself. However, right now we're just concerned with configuring and initializing the application. So the first thing to point out is that if you want to change the password, you can go in the right hand corner and click on the drop down menu, and there's a button called Change Password. Just go ahead and click this. Now, another important place to go when you've logged into the website for the first time is the account details page. This is where all of the configuration for your program is set. And now all of this information is automatically pulled from our application and filled out, but you want to go ahead and make sure that your time zone is set, and you can also upload a banner and a logo for your company if you'd like. Once you've done these things, you just click Save. The Customer Connect application has now been loaded onto our Clover station and we have visited the dashboard for the first time. Now the next step is to go to the actual Clover station itself. This is where the main use of the program comes in. Once we've used the Customer Connect icon and ensured that all of our information is correct and click confirm, once we've gotten our activation email, we no longer use this icon. The rest of the heavy lifting of the application comes at the register. So what we'll do is go through an example purchase in order to see how the system is used. Let's say a customer comes into the store. They buy some items. Let's say they go to the bakery and they buy some bread and also a drink. Once you go to the pay screen, you'll see that there is now an icon here labeled Customer Connect. Click on this icon. We have two choices now. We can either search for a customer. Let's say, for example, we see here a customer, or we can add a new customer. If we add a new customer, we need the first name, last name, and an email address or a phone number. Once you've filled out this information, go ahead and click Save. Let's say we're going to go ahead and use the customer that we already saw. Click Select. And that's all there is to it. The customer has now been pulled from the Customer Connect system, and we have used the program to successfully engage a customer. Now all we do is ring up the transaction as we normally would. And that's it. That's all there is to it.